Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and now you are watching a 4-star property. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, property location and there is the nearby attractions and landmark also. A set of perfect views is now displayed on the screen which may address many of your basic questions about this property. Next, we talk about amenities of this property. So you can see on the screen, all this will be required to present photo ID at check-in. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The location of the property is first class and guests cannot feel for the surroundings. One category of room is available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Several deals and offers are available online for this property along with various plans and payment policy. If you are planning to visit, you can do so through the link provided in the description. For booking and details, follow the description. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this property, then you can help us by commenting. We will help you. If you have already visited this property, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on the channel, then you have not subscribed to the channel yet, then you must subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you will not miss any video of our upcoming property. Thanks for watching the video till the end. So let's meet again in a new video.